Start by treating urinal cleaning as a targeted hygiene task that prevents odor and bacterial buildup. Focus first on removing all visible debris and scale from the bowl and rim using a stiff nylon brush and a neutral pH cleaner to avoid damaging porcelain and seals. For mineral scale or rust, apply a citric acid or diluted phosphoric acid descaler directly and allow dwell time of 3 to 5 minutes. Then agitate with the brush and flush thoroughly. Always wear gloves and eye protection when using acids. Clean the flush mechanism, sensor face, and handle by spraying an alcohol-based disinfectant and wiping to remove fingerprints and biofilm that harbor bacteria. Pay attention to the trap and pop-up or siphon area by flushing repeatedly and, if accessible, removing the trap cover to spray a disinfectant into the trap jet to break up organic films. Use enzyme-based urinal blocks or pouches in the drain or trap to biologically digest urine solids and reduce ammonia formation. Replace according to the manufacturer schedule or when scent diminishes. Finally, dry and polish the exterior surfaces and wipe splash zones on the surrounding walls and partitions with a disinfectant cloth to prevent secondary contamination on vertical surfaces. Common problems include persistent ammonia odors caused by organic film in the trap, which you fix by using enzyme treatments and performing a deep clean of the siphon jets and trap. Another issue is scale buildup that redirects flow and causes standing urine, which you correct by applying an appropriate descaler with proper dwell time and mechanical scrubbing until the jet ports are clear. A third frequent concern is cross-contamination from cloths and mops, which you avoid by using color-coded disposable wipes or microfiber towels dedicated to urinals only and by storing cleaning tools separately. Launder reusable towels on a hot cycle and replace worn tools regularly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for plumbing and restroom maintenance and helps contractors connect with local work opportunities through our listings and project posts. We also host a discussion community on the site where users and professionals share tips, product experiences, and maintenance routines that make urinal cleaning more effective.